Most people have no idea what is coming for the crypto sector. Welcome back to the channel, Cryptonymo. We have some important news that we need to talk about. So is this the final crypto crash? Because it's not looking good. Now, we all know that recent crypto crash, it is sending us into a long winter, but we haven't witnessed how crypto fares during an extended global recession. Governments around the world are putting the brakes on cheap money. Now, for anybody who does not remember, Satoshi Nakamoto created a Bitcoin due to inflation. Remember, when inflation is high, Bitcoin will pump up to the upside. But whenever the Federal Reserve starts to rake up hikes, it causes Bitcoin to go to the downside. So just remember that. So there is a pattern of crypto crashes. So Bitcoin is a proxy for the entire crypto market. It's continued to claim the throne for the largest crypto based on market cap, followed by Ethereum. So let's take a closer look at the Bitcoin and some expectations going forward. So back in 2021, Bitcoin, we all know, hit all-time highs at $69,000. But since then, it's technically dropped more than 70% below $20,000. That move has wiped out roughly $900 billion in Bitcoin's total market cap. However, these steep drawdowns aren't anything new. Many cryptos expect to see high volatility. Looking back at previous crypto crash, Bitcoin peaked in December 2017, and from there it took years for it to climb back to new highs. So ladies and gentlemen, the question is are we at the final crypto crash? What do you guys think? What are your final thoughts? Because my own personal opinion is I do believe that we have a lot more downside. Remember, like I stated, inflation went rapid. Everyone got stimulus checks. Governments throwing out free money. Satoshi Nakamoto created Bitcoin mainly for inflation. And if we actually take a look, you guys can see that Bitcoin is hovering right at $19,000, right? It is still breaking to the downside. If we take a look at the overall trend, you guys can see for Bitcoin that it is still breaking down. A lot of people are predicting that Bitcoin could literally go all the way down to 10,000. Nonetheless, people are predicting it can go a lot further than that. So the question is when will we hit a bottom? So ladies and gentlemen, we have a massive sloping resistance right here for Bitcoin. It's going to be very important that we keep eyes on it. You could even say that Bitcoin is in a potential falling wedge pattern, which is normally considered bullish. But Bitcoin, getting a look here at all this volume, you guys can see that there's a lot of buying and there is a lot of selling going on. So my own personal opinion is that Bitcoin may have a little bit more room to the downside. We're talking about all the way down here at about $14,000 to $15,000. And once we hit this key level area, we could be looking for a move back up here to the upside for a monster breakout out of this falling wedge. So for crypto news, nobody predicts that we are finished. Everybody believes that we have technically hit a bottom. Nobody is predicting that we're going to continue down further. My overall opinion is I believe that crypto has a lot more downside. I believe that Coinbase, everything that's going on is going to struggle, along with the Binance. A lot of these crypto sectors, these crypto exchanges, it is going to be a hard time for Bitcoin. Nobody has any idea what is coming, but we're expecting some big moves soon with a lot of volatility. As I showed you, there's a lot of volume that has been coming into Bitcoin. I mean, get a look at this volume right here. Absolutely insane. People are trying to call the bottom of the crypto market. So like I stated, are we there yet? Yes or no? Leave some comments down below and tell us exactly what you think. Are you bullish on the crypto sector? Are you bearish? Because me personally, I'm still bearish. I think we have some more room to the downside, and then eventually, once we start to get a nice uptrend and back up to the upside, I do believe that Bitcoin could be a great opportunity. Going in from years to come, we're going to be looking to hit a brand new all-time high and possibly even way past that as well.